Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. I want to talk about our webinar. It is how to use weekly options to create an income stream. We're going to shoot it on June 12th, next Tuesday. It will be a free webinar. If you want to get in the webinar, you can just email sales@KeeneOnTheMarket.com. We had a great turnout last time. About 200 people showed up for the webinar. It was on, I forgot what it was. I'm using unusual option activity and order flow to create trades. So this webinar will be on Tuesday, 4 o'clock, and it will be about 45 minutes long with a 15-minute question and answer session. So this is your S&P, oil, and euro recap for June 6th. 6-6. Well, that's the sign of the devil, 6-6, and what a day for the bulls. Spoos up over 30 handles, ripping through levels, through the 200-day moving average, through the 1300. I was talking about, maybe we could have a trading range for a little while, but this is a strong day. In the live trading room, I trade equity options, forex, and futures. I was talking about how there was no way to get short this market at all. It was looked too strong. I did get shorted a little bit at the end of the day in the SPY, but a strong day on the daily chart. If we look at the 5-minute chart, we were just straight up all day. And then I was talking about on the 5-minute chart how nothing lasts forever, and this momentum to the upside was too strong, and I thought we'd get a pullback. And most pullbacks usually during the day, if we're that strong all day, 5 to 7 points, and we got one for 6.75 points. So I was talking about this till about 12 o'clock, how no rally lasts or every sell-off lasts forever. We get a pullback to find more buyers. So we did close on the high of the day, 13.14.5. Huge range today. About 20-point range again today. Ben Bernanke speaks tomorrow, so that will be huge. Oil, you know what happens to oil if the market goes up. Oil goes up as well. On the 5-minute chart, I technically had a short here. I did not take it. With oil keep going higher and higher, it's hard to get short. I'd rather be buying it on the breakouts of the cloud. On the daily chart, I talked about this being a possible final flag. The high, I could have bought it on the close at 84.38. And then I would have had a stop under the low at 81. And then if I wanted to risk 3.5, I would have had to get to 3.5. I still haven't got to this 88 level. High today, 86.25. I still think the euro, oil should all be sold on rallies. And then the euro, nice little pop today, 125.70. I'm short the euro. I added to my short positions today. I'm going to have a stop at 127.10 will be my stop in the euro. Couple unusual option activity I want to talk about. WM, OCT34 calls are bought for 80 cents. I think this is against a short position or someone to short the stock and they wanted a protection. I think WM is going to continue lower. I don't think this is a bullish position at all. SMH is a semiconductor holders index. June 32 calls traded for a quarter when stock was, is this the right one? SMH. When stock was 31.19, popped 20 cents higher. A lot of calls being bought, and I talked about bullish activity in October and in September. I don't really see that much that I think is, bullish activity in the first couple of months. I think that rallies should be sold, and I think the market should be sold. But a big rally. A couple for earnings. MW had earnings after the bell. The stock got slammed. I was trying to sell the call spread, and I didn't get it off. Stock's trading about $30 right now. And MW also I was trying to do one in the SJM, which is Smuckers. I was trying to sell a call spread in Smuckers. The 75.80 call spread, selling the 75 calls, buying the 80 calls, $1.95, risking 3 to make 2. I did not get filled on that order as well. So a couple orders I didn't get filled on. I had a really nice trade today in Halliburton. I took this on the 12-minute bar. So I saw the stock opening. It got halted, opened, traded down to 28, popped back up, 21.55. I entered a short. I had a stop above the high of the day. They had bad news. And then as the stock went lower, I had a breakout of the cloud. I actually added to my short at 28.90. And then I took off profits all the way to 28.10. I made about 3% of my book on this one trade just during the day. And this is something I announced in the live trading room. Someone flagged that Halliburton was halted. And using the cloud and using the charts, I netted about 3% of my total book on this trade. So this is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. If you want any more information, you can email sales@KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow.